Yeah, it did not work. I'm still missing a clamp. But here's the kicker. Take a look at this. Plan A, right? Ah, plan B with the mystery fastener that I found. It doesn't work. Plan C, the one I bought from Amazon. Took 4 days to come in. Too small. And then I went where no man should go, to the basement. And I found this thing. As you can see, it's twisted. Maybe the nut is stuck on there, but I'm gonna have to make at least one of these work. Maybe I can take this nut and put it over here, or maybe I can fix this one. But something is going back on this car today. I'm making some boosts. Stay tuned. And just like that, folks, we have it secured with the proper clamp. Yep, that's how we do it. And we so happen to go from 12 bucks plus another $8 to finding our own clamp, right? We might have to we had to put two of them together to make one, but at the end of the day, I'm getting my money back because I'm returning both of those products. And so yeah, the real question is, does it work? There's only one way to find out. Let's go. But this might be part 5 and 6. I'm not really sure about the amount of time YouTube gives you for a short. So this might be a part 5 and part 6, maybe a part 7. So stay tuned.